Back here with another video. Today's Sunday, guys. As you can see, we put a bumper on, offer it up, so it fit nice and everything. And you see, I had gone ahead and prepped the bumper and stuff. So, guys, trust me, I'm so excited about this 370. It's unbelievable, guys. So, I'm gonna show you the process of how I prepped my fenders, because those fenders was real bad. So I had to do a lot of fiberglass work on there, and then put some putty on there and stuff like that. So I mean, I didn't want to go through all that whole long process with me sanding and stuff like that. You know, showing you that process, guys. So I just went ahead and do it. So I'll show you the finished product on this one. But on the right side, no, I got to prep that so we can get this car ready to the paint shop, guys. I'm excited. Man, I can't wait to get this car to the paint shop, got it painted, so I can start to fit some parts on this car. So we pretty much already know what wheels we're going with. We're not going to reveal that yet. And our side skirts and all that stuff, we got them on the way coming. So you'll see all that stuff. Even for the front lip, for the bumper and stuff like that, we have that coming, guys. So I'm excited. As I said in previous videos, that I don't know if that, we can get it. I'm looking at the Dodge, and I'm looking at this, and I'm saying the accessories that are available for the Dodge, opposed to the Nissan, I don't know, but we'll still give it a shot and see how aggressive we can get this car looking and sounding, you know what I mean? We already got our exhaust, that pretty much you'll show you a video we'll be putting that on and stuff like that. So stay tuned for the process, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Tell a friend to come over to Erie Builds, because we got some awesome builds coming up on this channel. All right, guys, so I'll show you. This is the finished product for what I did, from where it came from and the condition it was in. So as you can see, the amount of work that I did and put into this fender to get rid of all those imperfections and stuff like that there, as you can see. And then get my lines lined up. Remember this fender had lost, pretty much came, and this piece was missing. As you can look in the previous video and see, so you can see my lines is straight. Then I got my rocker panel molding is lined up. So he said prepped it, get all these lines together. So they're just getting ready now to, that's for paint, so we can get the body all sanded down. So let's get a walk around at the other side. So we gotta prep this fender now, guys. See, I put in the work, but no, this is primer on here. So what I did to get the fender, put it up and stuff, and then I kind of prime it heavy. So when I block it, I would get a nice finish on it too. So as you can see, so then we can hit this now with some 320, then 400, and get this ready, guys. As you can see, for the paint shop. So guys, you might hear the fan in the background running. Is kind of hot, so got a fan in the background running, guys. So I can put some tape on the door because I don't want the door to get scratched up. A lot of you guys might know how to prep cars and stuff like that, but for those of you that don't know, you guys could follow along. So I put this tape on here because I don't want the 320 to scratch the surface up, because because this don't have any damage on it and the paint is good. I just want to hit it with some 600 so I can it could get ready for paint. So instead of doing more damage to the door, doing any damage to the door, that way you gotta prime it and stuff like that, you just tape it off so the machine don't hit it. And I remember a little while back, you know, we used to sand this primer by hand with water. But no, things have come a long way. You know, you just use the machine and sand it. I guess growing up on the island, you know, you just do what you come along and see the other guys that into the automotive field do. So, but then, you know, so guys, this is some 320 that I'm using. So we have like I have a soft pad on here. So, but I'm gonna take the soft pad off so I can get the little sturdier pad so I can cut this primer down, and then I will use the soft pad back on there with some 400. And you want to make sure you don't sand the primer all the way back down, so you just got to pretty much sand it down till you get to the level. So the machine can't get in there, so what you're gonna use it by hand and sand that primer down. Guys, we already hit it with 320 already. As you can see, already looking already. So now we have some 400 here. So we're gonna run some 400 on here now to try to cut down the 320 scratches. And we run it with a soft pad. All right, guys, so that's it right there. So that ready for the paint shop. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is take this carbon fiber hood off of here so it don't get damaged. You know, so when I send it to the paint shop, they don't get no paint or none on there. So I'm going to take this hood off, and then what we'll do is sand the rest of this car down with some 600. We'll sand the body down with some 600, guys. So we outline the tape so we don't hit the block or the windshield and stuff. We put some tape here. The roof we are doing in carbon fiber. So we're not going to paint that.